So, so I cut the keys already. Let's see, it should start. This had no ring, so it should. Let me check the door. So make sure you close on the door and lock here. Two, three. The car doesn't have a ignition, doesn't have a ring, so you don't need a chip. You can use a regular key to start the car, which is great. However, this particular customer lost all of his keys, so I have to get the key code from a dealer, or you can use some tools to decode the biddings. Anyway, a little bit on, I think I did a while back, I did another video, similar video, as far as remote programming. Actually, you only need to cycle. As you know, you put the key in and you turn it to on position, not completely crank the engine. Actually, in this case, you turn it 4 times. 1 to on position, but not starting the engine, and then off, on, off, on, off, on, off. And at this time, after the 4th cycles, you should hear a chime. First of all, I got a little confused because I thought it was the seat belt chime or buzzer, you know. So it got me confused the first few times. And unfortunately, I did not record the last time that it worked. But basically, instead of 8 times cycled, as a lot of websites will tell you to do on and off 8 times, and then the door will cycle, lock and unlock, indicating you entering remote programming mode. But in this transit, I think most transit, you only do this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then after the 4th time, do not remove the key yet. You will hear a chime, and then you will press a remote button on, you know, still in the ignition, right? You will press any button 1 time, and you should hear another chime. And then if you have another remote or another remote key, press on it 1 more time, and you should hear another chime. So there's no lock and unlock cycle that you can tell. It's a chime. That anyway, once you're done, remove the key out and give it a few moments, you know, and then close the door or get out of the car and then test the remote. It should work. When it enters the programming mode, it will just chime, which and it's pretty easy because you don't, in this particular, I think it's year 14, 15, 16 range, or even 17, doesn't need a chip because the ignition doesn't have a ring like I showed in the video. Anyway, I'll see you folks on the next video. If you like, please click like and to support me, and then subscribe for any new videos. Thanks so much.